Have you ever wondered why in a hot environment your body becomes sweaty? And in a cold environment your body shivers? That is because of our body's mechanism called homeostasis. Homeostasis is the body's attempt to maintain a constant and balanced environment within the body. But how does it work? Our body has an ideal normal value or set point of our body temperature. It ranges from 98.4 degree Fahrenheit to 98.8 degree Fahrenheit. As the body exposes to a hot environment, its temperature increases. So whenever our body temperature exceeds from its normal range, the body's homeostatic mechanism comes in to regulate it back to the normal. There are three components of homeostasis that work hand in hand. Each of them coordinate to achieve the stability of body's internal environment. First is the receptor. It monitors the value of variables, like for example the body temperature. Second is the control center. It is also called the integration center. It receives and processes information from the receptor. Third is the effector. It responds to the commands of the control center. Now, in our example, the skin acts as a receptor. It monitors the changes in body temperature. When the homeostasis is disturbed through the increase of body temperature, the receptor sends information to the control center. In this case, nerves send information to the part of the brain that is responsible for regulating body temperature. Then the control center causes an effector to respond. In this case, nerves send information to the sweat glands. The control center would command the effector to produce more sweat and relax the blood vessels in the skin. The effector then produces response that maintains homeostasis. In this case, sweat glands produce sweat and causes the blood vessels in the skin to dilate. These actions lowers the body temperature. The same mechanism happens when the body temperature decreases. The skin receives the signal of decreasing body temperature. The receptor sends information to the control center through the nervous system. Then the brain causes an effector to response. In this case, the control center would command the effector to decrease the sweat production and constrict the blood vessels in the skin. Then the effector produces action to maintain homeostasis through stimulating the sweat gland to cease its sweat production. The blood vessels also constrict. It also causes the skeletal muscle to contract that results to shivering. These actions increase the body temperature. And that is homeostasis. The body's mechanism to maintain the environment within to keep us alive. Thank you for watching.